Good morning, everybody. It's Wyatt with Still Rolling. I'm looking at the Kaabo Wolf King 1500 watt motor. I'm going to be opening this motor up and be waterproofing it today. So let's get into this. Alrighty, so I got my impact out. Got some Allen keys and different bits that I might need. The 1500 watt motor. I'm going to go ahead and just start removing the Allens on the outside. There are 6 screws on each side. And it's just a little miniature crowbar. Kind of help separate it a little bit without hurting it. So I got it to start coming out. It's got to be careful, it is magnetized. Okay, so there's one side off. This is the side without the wires that enter in. There's the inside of the motor. This one looks like it's very good, other than one little object seems off. But so I'm going to go ahead and just put a little sealant on the outside of this, on the outside of this cover, and then screw it back together. It's kind of interesting, they have the wires zip tied inside of there. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the other side. This time I think I can just push on the, like that, and this one is magnetized, so watch all your screws. They're gonna all gonna try to go to it. Okay, so I separated the middle part of the motor. I'm going to go ahead and take a Sharpie and just put a mark on what side went on first on that. That way I know how it goes back on. Alright, so middle of the motor, all that. So I'm going to end up taking some silicone here. This is just all-purpose silicone, nothing special. I'm going to go very light on this. So this is the cover side. Just a nice little line all around it. Looks something like that. Okay, I'm gonna set that one aside. I'm gonna do the same thing on this cover. Perfect. Something kind of just like that all the way around. I have my marks on this one, so I know that the motor slipped in that way. So you gotta be a little careful. You don't get your fingers in there because it is magnet. So that side's back in. Go ahead and find your screw holes. You can go ahead and start those. Make sure you hand start the screws before you use an impact, and be careful using impacts on anything with these scooters. Go ahead and check your tension on your screws. Perfect. Flip the motor around. Other cover. Get your 6 screws. kind of tighten these in a star formation. Alrighty, so there we have it, the 1500 watt motor all sealed up. Yep, let that silicone kind of set up and leave that sitting right here. Thanks everybody for watching today's video where I went ahead and sealed up the Kaabo Wolf King motor. In the next video I will be installing this motor on the Wolf King scooter. Also, I will be opening up the motor that I have put through hell on the scooter, where I've power washed it, I've ran it through lots of water, and that motor has never been sealed. So we're gonna open that up and see what it's looking like. And this one will be getting installed. So please like and subscribe. I appreciate you guys watching, and you guys take care, ride safe out there. We'll see you soon.